What is up, guys? Welcome to Rekt. Today we are mowing the lawn. I mean, I meant to say lawning the mow, but I totally said it right instead of wrong. I don't know how that happened. Mariah here, we're gonna be throwing her into the lawnmower.
I'm so excited. I can't wait.
I'm just kidding. We're gonna be throwing a random assortment of items into the lawnmower and basically seeing what happens to them.
All right, so for our first throw, we're doing giant pixie sticks. You better
You did like an like they're savory.
They
like
are.
It's a burger, like a nice bacon avocado burger.
You know what? I like savory candy, okay?
When I think of pixie sticks, I think of more of like, oh. Well, I couldn't see, like, actually, let's look at the slow motion. Whoa, that's actually.
Oh! I threw that with my left hand.
This thing's
I'm
killing
very proud
it.
of myself.
Are you left-handed? You're not
No.
left-handed? You're not?
No.
You always struck me as a left-hander.
Oh, thank you. I'll take that as
It's
a
not
compliment.
a good thing.
Whatever.
Left-handed people tend to be a lot weirder.
Well, I was gonna give you a leftover pixie stick, but now I'm not.
All right, what are we throwing in next?
Dad!
Oh! I guess Dad has spoken.
Aww. I don't want it. Can you just give him a good cuddle, please? Just really fast.
I
I can't believe you.
All right, let's throw them in. No elephants or any animals have been harmed in the making of our videos, but a couple of gunners have been. Aw.
Put some back into it, you know?
What? Oh! What happened?
His head! It's gone!
Oh my gosh! Oh!
Destroy.
This thing, I actually really like this thing a lot.
Yay!
Oh!
I'm all saying yay to killing.
He turned him into a sweater. All right, grab the next item. There we go. What happened?
That was like so fast that I don't even think it picked it up. Look at, I have a scratch.
It went over? Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Absolutely. Let's take a look at that.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Please don't look at my red mark on my forehead, okay?
Don't look at my forehead, it's big.
Oh.
Yo.
Whose is this?
Fire. Tanner's.
Sweaty. Oh, it bounced up.
Oh!
Whoa! I didn't know that.
Dude!
Obliterated.
Obliterated.
Oh,
What?
I don't know. It was cute. You sound like a little kid.
I'm a full-grown man!
You serious?
Next up, Diet Coke. And since I don't have like 8 arms, Tanner's gonna be helping me throw them.
Oh! 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 Oh my gosh!
Yeah!
Oh! I'm soaked! I need nourishment or something!
It smells like Diet Coke.
Oh, yes it does. Oh,
And pixie sticks.
Oh.
Are you okay?
I'm cold. I'm
You're
cold.
not even that wet. He's literally not even that wet.
I got like 5 drops on me. What are you talking about?
Oh my gosh! Oh!
Just aluminum going
That's
everywhere.
so cool.
I feel like we look too similar. Like we look really similar.
When?
Like just a tad similar.
I'm trying to
The
block
hats.
the red mark on my forehead. Fine. The power of Play-Doh! Because that is our next item. I'm talking, Gunner. Thank you. You should lift it up as much as you can.
I know I'm gonna lift it up, okay? Leave me alone.
I told you!
There goes that. Dang it. This is gonna be rough. Are you actually kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? What? How do you even do that? What?
It's not breaking that one.
All right, let's look at some motion.
Ooh,
okay,
that's so satisfying.
Whoa! Literally, like the thing was flying. Oh, that felt so weird stepping on that stuffing. The Play-Doh was literally like flying through the air, and as it was flying, it was slicing off as it was going through.
Yeah.
Like it wasn't even really pushing it down, it was just slicing through. I found that interesting.
That was so interesting. I love how you explain things.
I like how you do it like quick little pulses.
Stress ball.
Yeah.
I'm super stressed.
What? It's solid?
It literally splattered everywhere.
Oh, it's not solid. Well,
it's not. It's gooey.
that's
what is
weird.
It?
Ew. Is that your natural thing just to like smell your finger? Wait, what is that?
What is what?
What's that sound? Did you not hear that?
Oh yeah, it's this.
Oh, like what?
What, I'm missing it.
I was like freaking out. Oh.
That was nice.
That's pretty dope. See, this is what I was talking about. That's such a like fine stream. You can't even see that.
Gunnar thinks he lights up my world, but he doesn't. He doesn't light up anyone's world, except his own. Maybe.
I saw a really bad roast, but I'm not gonna roast you with it
Go ahead. Do it. Say it to my face.
No, you'll actually get upset.
No, I swear.
There's a roast that I read that was against anyone with nose rings. And it's like the only reason you put that ring in your nose is because no one wants to put one on your finger. I know, you're married, so I didn't really think it would matter that much. Hold on. Oh!
Yeah! We're going back in time to see some
Dinosaurs?
Dinosaurs?
Is that what you said?
I'm done.
Are you ready? Everyone
Does this
ready?
have candy in it?
It has money.
I need money.
Are you serious?
I'm sorry.
Oh! Money! Dollar bill, y'all, dollar bill. Yeah, we got money. Yes! Oh!
Oh, I'm missing it.
He got destroyed.
Beanie Baby me. Nice!
Wow! The poor guy.
We could put this head on
He
the
didn't last
elephant.
long.
It's perfect.
Oh, that's just weird.
See?
Genetic.
We got a
Wait.
body.
Let's look at some
ahead.
much. Oh! Oh! That
You see how it
is
just got
so-
dragged?
That's so hot. Because I haven't been saying cool. Because I say cool too much, so I say hot instead.
It was like lukewarm.
It was like lukewarm.
Yeah.
What does that mean? Explain to me what Luke, like, was Luke not
like-
hot enough, so
it's
they
like-
just said he's warm?
Yeah. Like it's like,
Who's Luke? Where did he go to high school?
I'm not too sure how I feel about this, but we're gonna see what happens.
What just happened? What just happened?
I gotta do another one!
Wait, what just happened?
Open it!
What? Oh my gosh!
Wait, ready?
No. Oh, okay, go for
Why?
it. I thought you had your gloves on. Fine. That's gross. Wait, let's look at.
It's just cheese.
Ah! You just got it on me! Stop! We have to dry clean these.
Exactly. It's perfect. Oh! That lawnmower got cheese!
I took the cap off right before it's like, yo, I'm about to expel my cheese. So I took the cap off.
Wait, how'd that go? Can you say that again, please?
It was about to expel my cheese.
Can we do one more?
Yeah, we'll throw the last one. Ew! All right, let's throw it. All right, everyone, back.
I didn't want it.
What just happened? Oh! That is so sick!
Gosh.
Oh my!
I didn't know it did that.
I didn't know it either. It was so quick. You can't even catch it.
Oh!
It's so cool.
That's awesome.
I love this. This is the best video ever.
This is fun.
You win. Thank you for watching. And make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Rekt for a possible shout out, just like him. Guys, check out that video right there because that is the potato launcher versus massive, massive giant gummy bear. And also click this video right here because that's a video that YouTube will recommend for you guys. Now get wrecked.